cinnamon rolls on the blackstone. I've seen videos in which they smash them and they cover them, which I may do some that way, but I may do others just with the dome on it. I got 2 different domes, so we'll see what works here. A lot of filler there. Just give me 2 more cinnamon rolls. And if this doesn't work, I got pancakes for backup. I'm going to take my dome here, do that, and then on these other ones, I'm going to butter it. It's on medium heat. I'm going to do what other people have done and smash them. Like a smash burger type thing. Let's try this. I forget if you're supposed to cover them or not. You tell me in the comments, but I'm going to do that. Come back in about 10 minutes and see what they look like. Ooh, those are turning out better. Here is the results. That's the smashed ones. They're cooked through. What I did was I had it on medium heat, buttered it as you saw, and then once they started puffing, I flipped them that first time because they got a little burnt. I turned the heat completely off, put my domes over top of them, and I tried this one. It's all cooked through. They don't look terrible. I think they're going to be pretty good. Put the icing on them and call them good, but the dome is obviously, this blackstone has a lid, but it is not recommended. It's not designed to cook with that lid on. Some of them have more of a dome lid. So I think we're going to call this a success. Cooked just like you would in the oven. If that's just appearance wise, it maybe looks like you left them in the oven a little too long. And the smashed ones, I don't see a benefit from one to the other. So next time I do it, I'm going to put a handle on that bread pan like I did with the bowl, and just do it like normal, so it came out just like you do in the oven.